Welcome or welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. Welcome to the 21st video of our AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Exam Prep series. Today, we'll be looking at question 21 of the exam prep. Now let's jump right into it. A quick reminder that this video will be split into three different parts. The analysis stage, where we analyze the question. The knowledge stage, where we explore all the key knowledge points that this question has to offer, and the solution stage, where we take a look at the answer for this question. Let's first hop into the analysis stage. So here's the question that we're going to be doing today. Take a quick minute to pause the video here and read it. Are you done? Fantastic. The first step in solving a big, complicated looking question like this one is to find out what it's asking. And here, I've highlighted the key points of the question that explains what kind of answer we should look for. Today, we only have one thing highlighted in yellow, and that is the phrase minimize the time that is required to clone the production data into the test environment. This phrase tells us exactly what this question is looking for, and as long as you understand this sentence, your answer to the question cannot be very far off. Now, it's time for the knowledge section of this question, where we look at things you need to know to understand and complete this question correctly. Now, I won't have time to go through all the key knowledge points in full detail because they all have enough information to all require their own videos. So, for compensation, I will put links in the description of this video that will better explain what all these key knowledge points mean in greater detail. The first piece of information that you should know is what is CloudFront. Well, CloudFront is a CDN, and a CDN is something that can cache static content of a website to accelerate the delivery of the static content to the requester's device. And a CDN cannot cache dynamic resources like an order because dynamic resources can only be stored in databases. Now that we know what the question is about and the key knowledge points of this question, we can now move on to the solution. So here we can once again see the question, and we can first eliminate option A, because dynamic orders should be in databases instead of S3 storage. We can then eliminate option B, because using EC2 instances will introduce much higher operational overhead than necessary. We can finally eliminate option C because of basically the same reason. EKS will also introduce much higher operational overhead than necessary. This leaves option D as the only option left, and if we look over it, we can see that it indeed works, because you can indeed store the static data to S3, and then use CDN to accelerate the static content, use the Lambda function for the processing of dynamic orders, and finally store dynamic orders in databases. Thank you guys for watching this video of UTech Exam Prep. And if you made it this far into the video, first of all, thank you so much. And second of all, you probably enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if that's true, can you do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel? It will really mean the world to me. Thank you.